want to come back. I was so excited to be here. I was so excited to start this new life here in New York, and it turned out to be nothing like what I wanted it to be. I know I'll have my love affair with New York again, but I'm anxious to get home and figure out my life.
I should let you roll first. This is it, babe. How you can't survive.
Social media update time. First, to celebrate reaching a mere 10 million followers on Instagram, Harry Styles' ex, Kendall Jenner, has supplied us with this. Yeah, thanks for that. Next, Katie Price has tweeted for the first time since revealing her hubby Kieran was having an affair with her best mate. She's posted an inspirational quote saying, "Hate has 4 letters, but so does love. Enemies has 7 letters, but so does friends." Well, there's Pricey's English lesson for the day. Over to Cannes, where Lily Allen's casually been hanging out with Kylie at a Vanity Fair dinner. And Eva Longoria managed to bag herself a selfie with Julianne Moore and Karl Lagerfeld. Finally, Avril Lavigne has tweeted her ex-husband and Sum 41 frontman Derek, who's had a stint in rehab. Why can't she just text him instead? Stick around and head to 4music.com/thebix for more.
Sounding the all-new to 4Music alarm now, as it's time for a brand new Keeping Up with the Kardashians, and Kylie's planning her Sweet 16.
Previously on Keeping Up with the Kardashians.
Is Lamar coming out Friday? God only knows.
Lamar is a very depressed person, which is sad, but understandable for everything he's been through in his life.
What happened with the security camera?
He wants me to watch them right now.
Why? To show you what he's doing?
I don't know what's happening.
There's so much going on in the Odom household that nobody really understands, nor should they. At this point, I just happen to live there.
So, that means,
No one in my family but Rob really knows what's going on with Lamar. And it's really scary when someone's in such a deep low. Thinking about
biodegradable foods, organic vegetables, moving to a farm, changing your name, anything else?
Mostly all that. But I was thinking, it's so weird that Lamar's never been to our house. I do find it odd that Lamar doesn't like to hang out for whatever reason, and I feel like we are not as close as before. Do you find it odd? Me, you, Chloe, and Lamar have never gone out to dinner.
Obviously. You can't make plans with that. Me and Lamar were supposed to hang out the other day. You called me like, yo, no matter what goes down, me and you are getting up tomorrow. We are chilling all day. Next, they never heard from him.
I'm gonna call her.
I feel like they live in, like, North California. They live 10 minutes down the road.
Hey, Clark. Hi. Do you guys want to go out to dinner tonight? Me, you, and Lamar and Scott?
yeah. Where would you like to go?
Let's go to Kushu. It's right down the street from you.
Lamar, you said that. Did you have something to see? Remember you liked that joint? He doesn't remember.
What time?
Whatever time you want, Princess Diana.
6:30? Hello? Hello? Oh, is that acceptable? Can you still go to dinner?
Yeah, I don't get why you're being such all of a sudden.
I'm not. I want to come over.
Well, we never prevent you from coming over here.
Okay, do that.
Wait, are we really going to go to sushi tonight, though?
I had planned to Malika, but what if you go
So
first?
what?
I'm sure she won't care if I know that.
So dinner tonight?
Let's talk
Unbelievable.
It's like such a joke at this point. Every time we try to make plans with Chloe and Lamar, they always fall through. It's just so confusing. I don't know what's going on.
Dude, that'll never happen.
Okay, we'll see you at 6:30. What a freak.
She will not hang out.
Okay, go. Okay, go. Can I take a right here? No, you're gonna go. You're gonna go. Look her, get with her. You want me to go faster? Go faster. Oh. Kylie.
Oh, my
That's
goodness.
the key. Okay, stay in this lane. Turn around. Come here. Please.
This feels like home. Hi, everybody. Hello. Kylie, come on in. Let's tell Sharon all of your great ideas for Sweet 16.
So, Kylie's personality is edgy and fun. She's really adventurous. I was even thinking we could all go on a train. Like rent a train.
No.
Go-karting, take over the whole place.
No.
Or go to Disneyland and...
You like that? No. Okay, you're not into it.
I don't like ride rides or anything like
I
that.
don't want to ride rides and play games. Like, it doesn't get any better than that.
My mom throws a lot of parties, and she's great at it, but I really want this to be my organic thoughts and all me. I've just dreamed, like, ever since I was little of doing, I've never had a party, but doing an Alice in Wonderland theme.
There's a building downtown, the top floor. It's not open, okay, but it's all windows. You got like a 360-degree view of the city.
Oh,
And
wow.
it's a very awesome place.
That's really cool.
I think you do a New York club, a club scene.